exploring Fujifilm XMF workflow. In this video, we're going to explore in more depth some of XMF's key features that will help you automate and take expert control of your digital prepress workflow. The XMF Client and Queue Manager. XMF provides an intuitive and flexible job queue to see at a glance all activities on your XMF server. Each user can customize what columns they want to view, sort by those columns, and with its dynamic search fields, the jobs that you want to find come into easy grasp, even if you have thousands of jobs on your system. For those who prefer to work visually, you can search the thumbnail column that shows the first page in every XMF job, and upon clicking on the thumbnail, the XMF job becomes instantly highlighted. A job status panel can be opened at the bottom of the Queue Manager to see specific workflow activities, as well as review a log of all processes associated with any job. Users can also create special queues and then filter to display just those jobs that meet the filter criteria in either a separate queue window or by simply selecting the filter within the main queue window. From the Queue Manager, not only can the job editor be opened where virtually all the work will be performed, but also other processes can be easily selected, such as creating new jobs, 3D proofing, archiving, entering unique IDs or using a barcode reader for the same purpose, monitoring devices and system statuses, setting global preferences, launching Color Path Organizer, and of course, administering your XMF system. The XMF desktop with its integrated Queue Manager is your portal into the XMF workflow to monitor, locate, and efficiently and seamlessly perform work on those XMF jobs. Job creation. XMF allows you to create jobs in multiple ways that fit your preferences. From the convenience of your Mac or PC, simply drag a PDF file into the XMF client, and a dialog prompts you to name the job, assign a customer, a due date, and then simply select the XMF job template you would like to use, and your new job is created and added to the XMF Queue Manager. If you prefer to work completely within the XMF client, simply click the Add New button in the top left of the XMF desktop, and then browse to your PDF file. A more automated way to start an XMF job is to drag your PDF file into a drop folder. This will assign the PDF to a predefined job template and add the job to the queue automatically. On a more advanced level, using MIS or third-party imposition software that supports JDF, such as metrics, jobs can be created from JDF instructions, complete with metadata about customers, paper stocks, presses, proofing devices, and of course the layout impositions. As a final method with XMF's companion remote file submission and soft proofing system, your customer can start an XMF job through the convenience of his or her web browser. XMF works the way you and your customers do and provides intuitive and easy-to-use methods for creating jobs within the XMF workflow. Normalization in pre-flight. Directly inside the XMF workflow, in Focus Pitstop PDF profiles or action lists can be used to pre-flight and normalize PDF files. With XMF's core Adobe PDF print engine, the PDF X4 profile is often used, since all layers, transparent effects, and blending modes from the Adobe Creative Suite can be maintained natively right inside of the workflow. By simply clicking on the PDF in the source column, XMF provides an integrated link to both the Pitstop report and the normalized PDF file for review and inspection. Using your own PDF editing plugin for Acrobat, problems can be fixed and re-imported into the XMF workflow automatically, reflowing the modified pages. Action lists also provide an efficient way to fix common problems with customer-supplied PDFs without ever having to leave the XMF workflow. Such things as converting RGB blacks, removing unwanted ICC profile tags, knocking out light objects, a resampling for print, just to name a few. XMF's file pre-flighting, actions, and normalization ensure that customer-supplied PDFs are properly certified and alert you to errors that need to be addressed before expensive downstream production processes begin. Imposition. One of the most powerful features in XMF is its built-in imposition. And because there's no limit to the number of clients that access the XMF server, all of your operators can build and modify impositions from their workstations without concern of being bumped off or having to swap dongles around. XMF's imposition editor is truly dynamic. Pages can be swapped in the read order at any time and are instantly updated in the imposition without having to export to a run list. And even if the page sizes change, they're automatically adjusted because XMF reads the actual PDF media box. The plate and sheet sizes can be changed while the color bars and signatures maintain their pre-established positions on the sheet. Creep is applied by simply using a micrometer to gauge the thickness of the paper. And if it becomes necessary, the creep can be overridden on any two-page crossovers, even while still applying the creep to maintain folio positions. All common work styles are supported. Even cut and stack for variable data printing. The user can select any of the scores of intelligent folding patterns in XMF's folding library, or if one doesn't exist, build one very quickly based upon the jog edge of the sheet and how it will actually fold up or down on the finishing equipment itself. Head and foot and face trims and lips, all are easily defined for each signature. Dynamic marks and color bars can be intelligently linked to the sheet, and the sheet definitions quickly applied on the fly. A powerful collation marks editor will accommodate the most demanding perfect bound products. Need to change from your sheet fed to a web press? No problem. XMF supports up to 4 individual webs and 8 ribbons intelligently based on the stack order and how the web roll travels through the press. Multiple up and come and go styles, both supported. Gangwork is a breeze by simply dragging each page in the read order directly onto the press sheet and stepping and aligning quickly without ever having to enter math coordinates or trim sizes. Plate slug lines provide many dynamic variables, including XMF's unique ID, to quickly locate any separation among the hundreds of jobs you may have on your XMF server. And this can be done either by entering the code or reading a barcode on the plate itself. For more complex projects that span multiple presses, sections, and signature styles, XMF's pagination mode builds these with a simple 3-step process. And when you've perfected your imposition, overall sheet, plate, and page dimensions and their associated gutters can be quickly added and exported to a PDF file and used as a quality control tool for jobs that move from pre-press to finishing, and can be included as a printout in the final job ticket for filing. You'll quickly discover with XMF's dynamic built-in imposition that it's not required to save templates of every conceivable scenario and then have to wade through hundreds, if not thousands, of imposition templates. Just a few base templates will do, and then making changes, even major ones, are just a few clicks away. (3D) proofing. XMF's 3D proof provides a very effective way to visualize the read order of a bound project to confirm such things as pagination, folio positions, and crossovers. And for more advanced brochure folds, such as accordions, gates, and parallels, XMF's split for brochure function will simulate the exact fold-out sequence of these products. Simply select the number of folds and the desired folding pattern. You can even adjust the folds to compensate for relief of fold-in pages. Once created, the 3D proof can either be exported as an independent Java applet or published directly to XMF's remote server for customers to review through the convenience of their web browser. XMF's 3D proof, a powerful way to confirm what a flat two-dimensional proof cannot. Trapping. XMF uses Adobe's in-rip trapping technology to globally trap even the most demanding layers, transparencies, and blending modes using a highly developed and proprietary algorithm. Have multiple drop shadow effects over multiple spot colors with transparency? Not a problem with XMF. Trap widths for images can be set separately and set to center, choke, spread, or even move in and out based on actual density of touching color. The black factor, a powerful way to create the necessary stayaways for rich blacks or double hit spot colors. XMF will even correctly calculate trap based upon the order in which colors print per unit on the press. Trapping thresholds can be changed, and a sliding transition established to prevent trap hooks between touching gradient areas. And if it becomes necessary to change a specific area within the page, a zonal trapping plugin can be used in Acrobat to override the global in-rip trapping parameters. With XMF's powerful trapping engine, you'll discover that even the most demanding trapping situations can be managed without having to interactively and manually edit pages, thereby keeping such labor-intensive tasks to a minimum. Color Path Organizer and Sync integration. Tightly integrated into XMF are powerful browser-based tools for managing presses, proofing and plating devices, as well as building media profiles, importing ICC profiles, and creating linearizations and characterization dot gain curves. The intuitive interface is presented through your preferred web browser and displays all the known devices in your XMF configuration. Also, XMF is integrated with Fujifilm's ColorPath Sync solution in the cloud to build optimized color matches for your inkjet proofers and digital presses to a Grackle or Swap standard. ColorPath Organizer then deploys the certified device link profiles in the XMF workflow directly. At any time, these DLPs can be re-optimized to compensate for changing conditions that may affect your color. XMF's ColorPath Organizer with ColorPath Sync provides a unique and powerful integrated combination for color matching in the cloud. Also, ColorPath Organizer will help keep all of your devices calibrated and properly aligned. XMF Remote. XMF provides a powerful online file submission and soft proofing portal through a dedicated remote server that directly integrates with the XMF workflow. Jobs from XMF can be published to the remote server, and appropriate email notifications are automatically sent to the customer users in predefined groups, as well as to the owner company's CSRs that are assigned to that customer. Remote customers can also create new jobs. They can specify the number of pages in the project, even select an XMF job template. Once started in Remote, the job is automatically created in XMF with the assigned number of pages, ready for the customer team to upload in pre-flight pages and begin the approval cycle. Remote's elegant user interface makes it simple for the customer to review, annotate, proof, and approve pages. Authorization sets are quite granular in creating user rights and the email notices that are received for status changes. General file administration allows users to upload resources such as native files, fonts, and images specific to a job or to a general storage area, and then Remote will automatically zip compress these files. Page operations allow users to add, delete, and move pages within the Remote job, and XMF updates these changes automatically without you having to intervene until the customer approves the final page content and pagination. Once pages are approved for the entire site of one signature, XMF can automatically begin the appropriate proof and plate rendering, again without your prepress department's intervention. Remote also includes a complete log of all transactions from all users with a time and date stamp and can be exported as a CSV file to be included as part of each job's audit. XMF with its remote server provides a powerful customer-facing solution that shortens file submission and approval cycles while reducing proofing material costs and also keeping everyone on the same page. Put together, XMF and Remote provide a workflow that can be relied upon for efficient, modular, and highly automated production of graphics-rich media and expertly manage the print spectrum in the graphics industry today. The possibilities are quite amazing. And XMF, with its innovative workflow system, is positioned to take advantage of these technologies well into the future.